Stauning Whisky started as a hobby project in 2005 for 9 whiskey enthusiasts who refused to believe that good whiskey couldn't be produced in Denmark. What was most important to us was that if we were going to make whiskey, then we can make it like they did 150 years ago in Scotland. And we wanted to handle all aspects of production in-house, meaning we wanted the raw grain from the farmers, we wanted to malt and do every step ourselves. The Danes' great product has since gained international recognition, and in 2015, the world's largest alcohol producer Diageo chose to invest in Stauning Whisky. In the future, they will produce around 900,000 liters of Danish whiskey for the international market, which has required extensive expansion of the distillery. But that hasn't changed the way the whiskey is produced. The process is exactly the same as how we did it in the old distillery. After all, we want a whiskey that's just as good. The new malting floors are one of the areas where Stauning Whisky has developed special solutions to optimize production. We have fitted some special gratings here in their malt barn. In collaboration with Stauning Whisky BLÜCHER, we found a solution that includes holes that allow them to drain the water away from their malting process without losing the grains. BLÜCHER has supplied gratings and drains for the entire new building and is collaborating closely with the plumbing contractor and Stauning Whisky to get them installed. We've really enjoyed working with BLÜCHER from the very beginning of the process, starting with design and scope of the project, to the end of the process, where they visited our facility to show us exactly how to mount the gratings, ensuring we started up properly.